When it comes to sharing the results of your data science work, Datalore helps you turn your notebooks into beautiful reports. To make your notebook more interactive, you can add drop-downs, sliders, text inputs, metrics, chart cells, document upload widgets, and more. You can then open the report builder, select specific cells, and arrange them on the canvas. I have built this report with only markdown cells, visualizations, and interactive controls, which makes it easier to share my work with non-technical stakeholders. However, you can add whatever inputs and outputs you want. Sharing this report is simple. Just publish it and send a link or email invitation to your stakeholders. They will be able to see their own copies of the report, change the controls, and leave comments on the cells that will then be reflected in the notebook too. When you have multiple reports in your workspace, you can manage them from the Reports tab. You can also automate report updates. Learn more about this in our next video on scheduling.